Sizirhatsha bunqopha ukusuka emzini mkhulu wezorhatsha kwa-SABC e-Auckland Park. Yewizeke, nasele senza nje, singena ngomnyango.
They survived. They were able to withstand the torture, the suffering that they were subjected to.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi abomakekere be-ANC ababotshwa eRobben Island badlule ebudisini obukhulu kodwana nakanye khe bayiliselele ihlangano le.
Zuma's letter is mischief, and we treat it as such. He had an opportunity to send his love letter many days ago. He didn't, but he chose this day.
Nobhala Zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi uphethwe kudlala umengameli walokhu uJacob Zuma ngencwadi ethi ufuna ukubuyiselwa njengelunga le-ANC.
The present manner of publication has been followed for at least 3 consecutive years. Why should this year be treated differently? I therefore conclude that the matter is not urgent and should be struck from the roll.
Izokraka nokuvela emaphephandabeni imphumela kaMatriki ngemva kokuthi umnyango wezefundo sisekelo uthumbe icala lokubanga bona ngathana isakhutshwa. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele Lotshani. I-ANC ibuke ngokusebenza ngokuzikhandla kwabomakekere bomzabalazo wekululeko ngokudlula ebudisini kodwa nabaqine bayibonile impumelelo eRobben Island. Hlangano le ithe njengomana seyihlanganisa iminyaka elikhulu-13 yavakatshela eRobben Island ukuyokuhlonipha abomakekere bomzabalazo abavayelwa khona.
Yindawo yosizi nenhlungu kodwa ikwayindawo yoloyiso. Kulapho amaqala omzabalazo aphuma kumaqela ahlukeneyo zopolitiko ayevalelwe khona. Kodwa ngoku yenye yendawo ezaziwayo ezitsala abakhenkethi kweli lizwe. Iqela le-ANC liqale ukubhiyozela i-113 yeminyaka ngokutyelela esiqithini.
This is a day of reflection. It's not only a day of celebrating our freedom and tracing the liberation heritage, but it's also a marking of and remembering that our freedom was not free.
Abo babesakulwela inkululeko bathi babesetyenziswa nzima. Bathi urhulumente wengcinezelo wasebenzisa ikwari ukubajongela phantsi, ukubophula, ukubabonisa ukuba ngubani owayephethe.
The quarry was a place where it gave us the opportunity to be outside. While it was under terrible conditions, it gave us the opportunity to be outside and to enjoy the fresh air. At great cost to our own health because of the sandstone getting into your lungs and so on, and the glare of the limestone in your eyes. But nevertheless, we survived and we're here to tell the tale.
Iqela le-ANC lothulela umnqwazi ukomelela kwamaqala alo ngokuma angagunqi esilwa norhulumente wengcinezelo. Umongameli weliqela utyelele ikwari wabeka ilitye kwakunye nesisele salowa esakuba ngumongameli uNelson Mandela. Ukwabhale umyalezo kwincwadi yabatyeleli evulelwe oomongameli bamazwe kunye neendwendwe ezibalulekileyo ehlabathini jikelele.
They were brought here to be humiliated, to be broken. But today, as we celebrate the formation of the ANC, we also celebrate their triumph. They survived. They were able to withstand the torture, the suffering that they were subjected to.
Iqale njalo imibhiyozo yeminyaka e-113 ezaqukunjelwa ngentetho eyaziwa njengeJanuary 8th eKhayelitsha ngomgqibelo. Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC esiqithini.
Umengameli walokhu we-ANC uJacob Zuma umholi wehlangano esebujameni besithathu ehelweni lenhlangano ezikulu elizweni usabeke amehlo ekhaya lakhe lalokhu kezepolitiki ANC. Nobhalazombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi incwadi yemfuno ehlolwe nguZuma yokubuyiselwa kwakhe njengelunga le-ANC seyinolwana. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana amagqwetha omholi we-MK Party abhalele uMbalula incwadi yemfuno namhlanje. Bafuna uZuma abuyiselwe njengelunga le-ANC hlangana nokhunye. Incwadi le ihlolwa nje i-ANC ibambe umnyanya wokugidinga iminyaka ye-113 ikhona.
Njengoba i-ANC yehla yenyuka nje ngokugidinga ikhulu leminyaka neminyaka ye-13 ngahlanye kunomraro ilindileko. Hlangano le omholi we-MK Party usafuna ukujijila ukuqotshwa kwakhe njengelunga le-ANC. Lokhu kuqinisekiswe ngumzwane lemanyi okhulumela i-JG Zuma Foundation. Yaqotha uZuma ngokusemthethweni ngovela abahlinze umnyaka opheleleko. Kuthe bona uZuma azibelayeze ikomiti ekhalimako ye-ANC yaqinisekisa ukujanyiswa kwakhe njengelunga le-ANC ngosinye ikhaba nyakenye. uZuma wathi wesicala ngemva kobana amemezele bona usekela i-MK Party ngomhla ka-16 kuNobayeni ngo-2023. Amagqwetha kaJacob Zuma athi incwadi ehloliweko le ikulandela umthethosisekelo we-ANC newelizweli begodwa athi yafuna ilwazi elingezelelweko ngokujanyiswa kwakhe. Kananikeli i-ANC bekuphela inyanga lebona iphendula imfuno zawo. Unobhalazombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi incwadi le semariyadlana ukuphazamisa umnyanya weJanuary 8.
Zuma's letter is mischief and we treat it as such. He had an opportunity to send his love letter many days ago. He didn't, but he chose this day.
I-ANC igidinga ukuba khona kwayo eKhayelitsha eTshingalanga Kapa. Kanti solo kwaba nedemocracy yathoma ukubamba umnyanya waqobe eminyaka lo ingakathumba amakhetho ngokupheleleko.
Sele isikhathi esingaphasi kweveke ngaphambi kokuthi kuphume imiphumela kaMatric ka-2024. Kanti umnyango wezefundo sisekelo uzwakalise ukuthokoza bona amaphephandaba azokuraga nokuveza imiphumela yabafundi. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana ikhotho ephakemeko yePitori siphaye nendleko isibawo esihabawo seziko lelwazi sokujamisa umnyango wezefundo sisekelo ukuthi ukhuphe imiphumela yabafundi emaphephandabeni.
Kube ngenye imiphumela kaMatric ngemva kokulalela icalili ngokuhabekileko ijaji uTolmei uyivalile indaba omraro le walisula ehlelweni lamacala angalalelwa.
The application is struck from the roll due to lack of urgency. The applicant is ordered to pay the costs of the first to the fifth respondents.
Isiqundo sejaji sikhinyabeza ithemba lezokulelwazi i-Information Regulator lokukhandela umnyango wezefundo sisekelo bona ukhuphe imiphumela abafundi bakaMatric emaphephandabeni iveke zako. Nangemva kokukhupha isazisi esikatelela umnyango lo umnyaka opheleleko ngosinikaba kwalandela ihlawulo ye-5 million yamaranda yokuphula umthetho.
The 5 million rands fine was issued as part of the infringement notice when the DBE failed to give us an undertaking that they will not publish the Matric result.
We also need to remember what the judge said. She said, why do they issue the enforcement notice in November when we have the whole year to do that? So it looked a bit suspicious there as to what is the true motive.
Nemarwela media bebasekela umnyango wezifundo sisekelo bathi umlayo wekhotho wango-2022 ovumela ukukhutshwa kwemiphumela kaMatric emaphephandabeni usasesibopho.
We hope that the appeals case will be heard very soon in future so that the matriculants of 2025 won't have the same anxious situation that the matriculants of 2024 had.
We all know it's no secret that the media are struggling and they really need that advertising, so especially print media. We are an online platform, so we publish it digitally, but especially the online, the print media really need this.
Lokhu kuchobona iClass lika-2024 lizokukhokha kancane nalindi imiphumela yabo. Ungqongqoshe wezefundo sisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube uzokukhupha imiphumela abafundi umnyaka opheleleko iveke zawo ngomvulo bese abafundi baphumene imiphumela yabo ngelesibili.
Umndeni we-East Rest ePitori kusathukiwe ngemva kombiko wokuhlola kwesidumbu selunga lawo oveze ukuthi ilunga lawo ebelisejele libilwe manceba bekasehloko. Lo mndeni uthi phambilini utshelwe ukuthi ungazimbi ubulewe kuqhulana kabuhlungu nento ebuthundu. Umnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo uvule iphenyo ngesehlakalwesi esenzeke ejele leLukop ngomhla wama-30 ngenyanga epheleleko.
Umndeni kaBaselo Alfonso uthome kabuhlungu umnyaka omutsha. Watshelwa amapholisa we-East Rust ukuthi uBaselo weminyaka ema-28 obudala akasekho ngelanga elandulela lomnyaka omutsha. Umza wakhe lekangazimbe uthi nabe babuza imphathiso zezokuhlengwa kwesimilo beziziluma. batsho kunabanye bomndeni abatshelwa ngesinye sembotsho ukuthi phela kunabofadere ababetha uAlfonso bewayatha.
It's alleged that Alfonso was smoking crystal and he wanted to stab a warden, and they beat him to death, claiming that the cause of death was a heart attack, which I also believe is untrue, because everything that I've asked the correctional service, they were either evasive, they patronized us, we've been traumatized this whole week.
Umndeni uthe bona kriyade ukuchachulula kwesidumbu sawo. Wabona kungcono udlulisele indaba le ku Patriotic Alliance.
If something happens like that and there is no one to explain, I mean, it's a foul play. What are they hiding?
Imochari kahulumende eHillbrow inikele umndeni isidumbu sika Alfonso izolo. Umnyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo sewuthomile ukuphenya ngesehlakalo yesi.
Preliminary investigation that the inmate indeed behaved in a very strange way, had to be restrained, and was then moved to another cell. And he then became unconscious, and then a medical practitioner confirmed him death. So under such circumstances, it warrants that a further probe then be done, and that's what had to be conducted. And the family of the deceased was informed.
Umndeni kaAlfonso uthi uzokuphumula mhlazana kwenziwa ubulungiswa ngokubulawa ngesihluku kwelingwa lawo.
Nasibuye Ntolo.
Kufuneka siqale kancinci siqinise imizimba, siqinisekise into yobana imizimba yethu izakwazi umelana noko kutrainer into especially into esingaqhelanga ukuyenza.
Izazi ngokwehlisa umzimba zithi abafuna ukwehlisa umzimba bazijayeze ukudla bangazijayeze ukudla okufana nemiratha namachachacha. Bathome kancane kancane bazilule bebajayele. Nawuqeda ukungena siyakwamukela mbukeli. Kanti nazi kuphundele kwindaba ezi uyazifumana ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Umndeni womvumi owabelethelwa eSoweto uWinnie Khumalo uthi ubetheke iduma elingophiwe ngokuhamba kwakhe. Khumalo ubhubhe izolo ekuseni aneminyaka ema-51 obudala. Uzokukhunjulwa nge-album yakhe enengoma ezitshisa amadama namanzi yesihloko esithi I Just Wanna Live My Life eyathengisa igolide ekumasidi yangaphezu kwe-25,000. Bizelo lika Khumalo lathoma neminyaka eli-15 obudala. Ngemva kwalapho wabonakala emahlelweni we-SABC aziwa kakhulu afana noMubango kunye neMboning.
Umndeni nabangani bakaKhumalo basazama ukuzwisisa indaba yokukhamba kwakhe. I-album yakhe ethi I Just Wanna Live My Life ngiyo yamenzela igama. Lokhu kungemva kokuthoma ibizelo lakhe emvumeni aneminyaka eli-15 obudala. Ama-album akhe amabili avezwa yingorho yomvezi uChicco Twala wavuma noBrenda Fassie neBongo Maffin.
She gave us that motherly love. Whenever things are going wrong, she will always be saying, no, don't do this, do that. Advising, putting it like a mother, but in a very funny way.
Umndeni usarafungile kanje bathi bebacabanga bona uyalulama barareka ngelesibili akaza kuhlalika futhi.
We thought she was recovering. She did say she's not feeling well. The eldest of us, because we are 4 girls, the oldest sister called me and told me that she's not really doing well, and she was rushed to the hospital. And upon arrival, unfortunately, that's where she was pronounced dead.
Utata kaKhumalo uthi uzomkhumbula ngokusebenza budisi. uKhumalo utshindo udala uthando nomntazana wakhe oRithabile kunye nemzukulwane 3.
Nasiragane indaba sifumana ezithi izakhamuzi eHammanskraal eziqede iminyaka pheze ema-20 zinganamanzi okudla ahlanzekileko sezikhululekile njengoba impompi zabo sezizokuphuma amanzi. Mera wetshwane uNasiphi Moya namhlanje uvakatshele iplanti yokuhlwengisa amanzi eMagalies Klipdrift eHammanskraal. Lapho wamemezele khona ukuthi ezinye ingcenye zelokishini sezizokuba namanzi ahlanzekileko.
Moya nguyosele kokuthiwa umthamo wamanzi ahlwengileke eHammanskraal pheze ngemva kweminyaka ema-20 impompi zakhona zihloga nethosi. Memezele nendaba ezimnandi emphakathini uqinisekisa ukuthi amanzi aphakelwa ukusuka eplantini ehlwengisa amanzi eMagalies Klipdrift aphephile akulungele ukuselwa.
We've got 4 modules that we need to roll out to cover all the residents that are supposed to be supplied by the Rooiwal wastewater treatment plant. So today we can confirm that phase 1 is done. The first module is complete. The residents that are supplied by the Babelege Reservoir can drink the water. We have drink the water ourselves.
Siphathiswa sezokuphepha komphakathi eTshwane siqinisekisa izakhamuzi bona kulandelwe yonke imiyalo yezokuphepha ukuqinisekisa bona amanzi la asezingeni elikhambisana nemigomo yezokuphepha.
There is national legislation that stipulate what the standard of the drinking water must be. If you look at the blue drop process. So this is why there was a little bit of a delay. We had to qualify according to that standards for the people to drink the water.
Councillor lendawo Michael Ndlovu naye uzwakalisa ukuthaba ngokubona izakhamuzi zigcina ziwafumene amanzi ahlanzekileko aphume empompini zabo ekuyinto elindwa isikhathi eside nezokuletha ubungcono empilweni zabo.
We are very happy. You can see for yourself also the residents are happy that now they are getting clean water. They are able to drink, they will cook, they will also wash their white whatever.
Amalunga omphakathi weHammanskraal azwakalisela ukukhulu ithabo.
Le he ke sa itse gore ke mengwa e mekae mara re ntse sebaka se setele thata go sena metsi.
Nna ke thabile thata cause le diaparo tsa rena be di senyega tse tshobele tse brown no re sharp.
Gcine kuphelile ukulinda emphakathini weHammanskraal njengomana sebazokusela amanzi ahlanzekileko. Leli ligadange eliqhakathekileko kumasipalata weTshwane bese kube lithabe ezakhamuzini.
Singaphakathi komnyaka omutsha cha. Abantu banemfiso nenqiqundo abazithethe ngokuthi bayokuphila njani umnyaka lo. Isiqundo kanenge sibaphambili ngesokuthi abantu bayokuye ejimini, behlisa umzimba, bathome nokudla kuhle. Thoma kuhle khona kodwa ningasikade jiki sebabuyele ekudleni abakujayileko. Akhe sizona kumbiko esiuhlanganiselwe nguLerato Fekisi bona kuba yini kanti lokho okubizwa ngama New Year's resolution phele emoyeni.
Mcha kwaye uzinamathuba okuzilolonga kwabantu behlise umzimba. Uninzi lwabantu luzama ngandlela zonke ukwehla emzimbeni, lusebenzisa indlela ezahlukeneyo kodwa ezinye azilunganga.
You've got to look at your stress levels. One of our biggest culprits still, when you are stressed and your body is releasing cortisol, your body will stay in fat storage mode. So no matter what you do diet-wise, no matter what you do in the gym, your body will not release the fat. So you've got to work on your breathing and lowering your stress levels.
Kodwa akukutya sempilo kuphela kwehlisa umzimba. Kulolonga umzimba kubalekile okunye balelekileyo kukwenza izinto zithandayo nozonwabelayo.
Kufuneka siqale kancinci siqinise imizimba siqinisekise into yobana imizimba yethu izakwazi umelana noko kutrainer into especially into esingaqhelanga ukuyenza. Kubalekile ke nento yobana ujonge ukutya okutyayo siyathanda ke thina ukutya okumnandi lento okuthiwa yi-comfort food amagwinya ikota ukutya okulola hlobo ke akusincedi ke thina abantu bafuna ungena kwelicala le-fitness.
Umbuzo ngokuba zithini izicwangciso zabantu kulonyaka.
It's an all round, it's therapeutic, it's entertaining, and then obviously your body conscious and health conscious goes with it.
I've done 2 Oceans, Sanlam Cape Town Marathon, I've done Nelson Mandela Bay Ultra. Still going to do that, yeah, just to keep moving.
Kubalekile ukuba ufumane ingxelo kogqirha phambi kokuba uguqule indlela otya ngayo kodwa kuzilolonga. NjengoLerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Asiqala umbono wakho Mbukeli ngayo le ndaba eqeda ukuphela.
Umuntu ubona omunye enza into naye afuna ukuthi ayenze
hayi umakhelwane une six pack nawe ke sowuyagijima ubudungela insimbi.
Abanye abakwenzi ngoba besuke bekufisa yini noma bekuthanda kodwa bakwenziswa incindezi.
Kudla okunempilo akumnandi, into esizayo ayivamisile ukuthi ibe lula.
Kepha ukuhamba kwesikhathi ubona lokho kudla lokukumbi ngoba kuyabhoyilwa, akufakwa amafutha, kufuneka udle ushukela uthi hayi ngeke ngibuyela emuva.
Go khethile go jima ya dijo tse di nago le bophelo gore mmele ga o dule o itekanetse gabotse.
Abantu bathathela izinto phezulu, abafuna ucabangisisa before benze. Into uma uyicabangisisa before uyiqale awukwazi ukuyiyeka ungakayiqedi.
Kubangelwa ukuthi into ezifana nemiratha nama-chips into ezikhule ngazo, and angeke ukhona ukuthi bathi wena udla ama-vitamini right or ama-apula amabhanana into ezazisemnandi. Into emnandi imiratha.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ezokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Hlokeze imali, iranda liyabogaboga nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje yasiye ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi. Akwande Masango, ngiziphi ezikhamba phambili ngapho?
Sithokoze ukusiboleka indambo Thandeka. Namhlanje ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi kulihlelo elikhethekileko. Sithulela ingwani imisebenzi nempilo kaKosabo Thukwana ohlongakele mhlapha ngesihluku ngendaweni yangekhabo eTofontein. Sithokoze.
Mbukela indaba ezikhona kusasa ngelimi leSwati. Thina ke sikulethela zona ngelesihlanu. Ukuthula kwande sitshaba seKosi.